Today I am going to discuss NBPR theory, VSEPR theory, Dragos molecule and all the bond angle concept and more tricks I will give you in this lecture. First I start NBPR theory. NBPR means non-bonded electron pair repulsion theory. Non-bonded electron pair repulsion theory. Now suppose in case of OCl2, there is two lone pair is there, sp3 hybridization, two lone pair is there. We know VSEPR theory. In my previous lecture I will discuss clearly. Now valence electron pair repulsion theory means central atom having lone pair, this is lone pair repulsion, and lone pair, this is bond pair of electron, bond pair repulsion is there. There is bond pair lone pair repulsion is there. This is called VSEPR theory. But NBPR theory means this is side atom repulsion, side atom bigger than the repulsion is there. So this is NBPR theory, side atom bigger, so the repulsion is there. Now NBPR theory applied condition, three condition is there. First condition, sp3 hybridization required. sp3 hybridization required. In case of sp3 hybridization, NBPR apply. Second, central atom having active lone pair. Central atom having active lone pair. Now third condition is side atom larger. Larger means two condition. There is third period, larger third period, or onwards. Onwards means down the group. Example, suppose chlorine, bromine, iodine, SH, SR, etc. etc. is the third period element and onwards the group. This is larger group. And organic group like R alkyl group, PH, bond COOH, COOR, NO2, etc. This is a larger group. Now first condition in NBPR theory, first sp3 hybridization required, then check central atom having active lone pair. Active inactive next I discuss. Central atom having active lone pair, and third condition side atom larger. Larger means third period or onwards group. This is and organic group like R, PH, COH, COR, NO2, etc. Note, I think in case of VSEPR, now in OCl2, example OCl2, VSEPR, this is the repulsion, lone pair repulsion and lone pair bond pair repulsion. So the bond angle of OCl, this bond angle decrease because the repulsion is there, lone pair and lone pair bond pair repulsion, so bond angle decrease. So in case of VSEPR theory, lone pair repulsion increase, so the bond angle decrease. Decrease means less than 109 degree 28 minute in case of sp3 hybridization. Now in case of NBPR theory, lone pair repulsion, NBPR means in OCl2, example suppose OCl2, NBPR means side atom repulsion. So side atom repulsion is there, so the bond angle increase because repulsion is there, so bond angle increase. So there is bond angle OCl, suppose ClOCl bond angle greater than equal to 109 degree 28 minute. So repulsion is increase, bond angle increase. So greater than 109 degree 28 minute in case of sp3 hybridization. So remember this thing, in case of the VSEPR theory, lone pair repulsion increase, bond angle decrease, but in NBPR theory, lone pair repulsion increase but bond angle increase. So greater than 09 degree 28 minute. Now example of NBPR theory. Example, suppose NR3 means N having one lone pair is there, sp3 hybridization, R, sp3, this is the sp3 hybridization, first central atom sp3 hybridization, and check larger group, all are larger group is there, and central atom having active lone pair is there. So this is the repulsion is there, so this is a NBPR. So this bond angle greater than 109 degree 28 minute. Remember this thing. Another example, suppose O C2H5 whole twice. So oxygen having two lone pair is there, so C2H5 and C2H5 organic ligand is there. So this is a larger group, and oxygen, this is sp3 hybridization and lone pair, active lone pair is there. So this is applied for NBPR. So greater than bond angle greater than 109 degree 28 minute. So another example, suppose NH3. In case of NH3, N having active lone pair but side atom is small. Side atom is small. So NH3 not applied NBPR theory. Side atom large in case of NBPR theory applied. So remember this thing. In case of NF3, similarly NF3 side atom small, NF, F, F, and active lone pair sp3 hybridization but F small, so NBPR theory not applied in case of NF3. So remember this thing. In case of NR3 of OC2H5 hold twice. And another example, NCl3, N having one lone pair is there, sp3 hybridization, Cl, 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 and Cl is larger group, so there is apply the NBPR theory. Now bond angle greater than 1028 minute, 10928 minute. Now next I discuss Drago's empirical rule, Drago's molecule. When the third period or onwards element are attached to side atoms whose electronegative is less than 2.5 like hydrogen, then in such molecule sp mixing does not take place and lone pair remains is almost pure s orbital. These molecules are called Drago's molecule. Now summary, Drago's molecule means first condition is central atom larger, that is third period or onwards means third period or down the group. Now second condition is side atom less electronegative, that is hydrogen, side atom hydrogen, and third period central atom third period or onwards. Now example, in case of PH3, this is third period element and side atom hydrogen, this is Drago's molecule. Arsenic H3, antimony H3, this is down the group, so this central atom larger size, so down the group, and side atom hydrogen, so this is Drago's molecule. Sulfur H2H2S, H2S, H2AC, H2TE, etc. In case of Drago's molecule there is no sp mixing. Now in Drago's molecule the bond angle nearest equal to 90 degree. This is least bond angle. In Drago's molecule this is least bond angle, and compare the other bond angle. Now example, in case of suppose PF3, NH3, PH3, OH2, then least bond angle calculate. Least bond angle means first calculate Drago's molecule. Drago's molecule there is first central atom check central atom, this is third period, but side atom fluorine more electronegative, so this is not Drago's molecule. This nitrogen central atom second period, this is not the Drago's molecule, and central atom this P is third period and hydrogen is there, so this is Drago's molecule. Now this is the least bond angle, and oxygen this second period not Drago's molecule, this is least bond angle, so PH3 is the least bond angle in this given question. In case of Drago's molecule first check central atom third period or onward down the group, and second check side atom hydrogen. Now example, in PH3 arsenic H3 down the group, phosphorus arsenic antimony, and side atom hydrogen, and similarly this is sulfur third period and onwards this group, so this is Drago's molecule. Remember this thing. And bond angle nearest equal to 90 degrees, this is the least bond angle in case of Drago's molecule. In my previous lecture I have already discussed VSEPR theory. Now third condition, bond angle proportional to 1 by electronegativity of side atom. And another is repulsion rule. Repulsion order, lone pair repulsion greater than lone pair, bond pair repulsion greater than bond pair repulsion. And another, this modified and advanced rule is triple bond greater than lone pair greater than double bond greater than single bond. Means triple bond repulsion is much more than the bond lone pair, than the double bond, than the single bond. So this is the order, and this is the lone pair bond pair, and bond pair repulsion. This is repulsion order in VSEPR theory. Now first in bond angle comparison, first check hybridization sp, bond angle sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3. Now hybridization same, then check central atom having lone pair. This lone pair active or inactive. In case of inactive, this is called Drago's molecule. Bond angle, this is least bond angle, this is nearest equal to 90 degree, least bond angle. Now example pH3, arsenic H3, antimony H3, etc. In active lone pair, there is two conditions is there: VSE pair theory or NB pair theory applied. VSE pair theory only applied in case of sp3 hybridization. And then check central atom having second period or not. Second period, this is applied. Then third condition, side atom larger. This is third period or onwards or organic ligand. Now in VSE pair theory, sp, sp2, sp3, any hybridization applied, but central atom having lone pair in active lone pair. Now VSE pair theory, first condition, bond angle proportional to 1 by lone pair of central atom, bond angle proportional to electronegativity of central atom, bond angle proportional to 1 by electronegativity of side atom. Now repulsion order is lone pair greater than lone pair bond pair greater than bond pair. Now modified and advanced rule in case of VSE pair theory, triple bond repulsion greater than lone pair repulsion greater than double bond repulsion greater than single bond repulsion. This is the order. Overall bond angle comparison. First check hybridization. Hybridization means sp3 sp3 less than sp2 get less than sp. So this is the bond angle order. Sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3. Now then hybridization, in case of hybridization same. Then check central atom lone pair. Central atom having lone pair. Now central atom having lone pair, this lone pair active or inactive. Two condition: active lone pair or inactive lone pair. Inactive lone pair means drag gauge molecule. First I discuss drag gauge molecule. Drag gauge molecules, this is inactive lone pair. Drag gauge molecules means pH3, arsenic H3, antimony H3, H2S, H2Se, H2T, etc. And active lone pair, in case of active lone pair, then check VSE pair, applied VSE pair or NBE pair. Now NBE pair, first check condition, three condition is there. First condition is sp3 hybridization. Then second condition, central atom having lone pair is there. And third condition side atom larger. Larger means this is third period or onwards, and this is the organic ligand like R, pH, COR, etc. And first condition sp3 hybridization. Then second condition central atom, this is second period, central atom second period and having the lone pair. And third condition is side atom larger. Now second, in VSE pair theory, in case of sp3 hybridization, other sp3, sp2, sp, anyhow this condition is applied in VSE pair theory. VSE pair, first condition is bond angle proportional to 1 by number of lone pair of central atom. Second condition, bond angle proportional to electronegativity of central atom. In my previous lecture, I have already discussed VSE pair theory. Now third condition, bond angle proportional to 1 by electronegativity of side atom. And another is repulsion rule. Repulsion order, lone pair repulsion greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion greater than bond pair repulsion. And another, this modified and advanced rule is triple bond greater than lone pair greater than double bond greater than single bond. Means triple bond repulsion is much more than the bond lone pair than the double bond than the single bond. So this is the order, and this is the lone pair bond pair and bond pair repulsion. This is repulsion order in VSE pair theory. Now first in bond angle comparison, first check hybridization. Sp, bond angle sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3. Now hybridization same. Then check central atom having lone pair. This lone pair active or inactive. In case of inactive, this is called drag gauge molecule. Bond angle, this is least bond angle. This is nearest equal to 90 degree, least bond angle. Now example pH3, arsenic H3, antimony H3, etc. In active lone pair, there is two conditions is there: VSE pair theory or NB pair theory applied. VSE pair theory only applied in case of sp3 hybridization. And then check central atom having second period or not. Second period, this is applied. Then third condition, side atom larger. This is third period onwards or organic ligand. Now in BSC theory, sp, sp2, sp3, any hybridization applied, but central atom having lone pair, inactive lone pair. Now BSC theory, first condition, bond angle proportional to 1 by lone pair of central atom, bond angle proportional to electronegativity of central atom, bond angle proportional to 1 by electronegativity of side atom. Now repulsion order is lone pair greater than lone pair bond pair greater than bond pair bond pair. Now modified and advanced rule in case of BSC theory, triple bond repulsion greater than lone pair repulsion greater than double bond repulsion greater than single bond repulsion. This is the order. Now example, NH3, BF3, PH3, OH2. Now first check hybridization. In NH3 hybridization, this is sp3 hybridization, BF3 sp2 hybridization, PH3 this is the drag molecule because this is third period and hydrogen is there, so this is drag molecule. This is pure P, not hybrid orbital. This is pure P, pure P. Now in OH2 this is sp3 hybridization. Now we know hybridization order, bond angle order. In case of hybridization, bond angle order sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3. So this is sp2 is more bond angle than sp3, and this is pure, this is least bond angle. We know drag molecule, this is least bond angle. Now this is least bond angle. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. So C is less bond angle or least bond angle. Now B is more bond angle. Now in A and D, check first hybridization, check hybridization both are sp3. So hybridization same. Then check there is lone pair, having lone pair or not in NH3 and OH2. Lone pair in NH3 there is one lone pair is there, and OH2 there is two lone pair is there. Now this lone pair is active or inactive? This is active because this is no drag molecule, this is active lone pair. Now check NB pair applied or not. This is both are sp3 hybridization, both having the lone pair, active lone pair, and but a side atom hydrogen, so small size, so no NB pair is applied. Now check BSC pair. BSC pair applied BSC pair, so this is active lone pair is there. Now BSC pair, first condition, bond angle proportional to 1 by lone pair number of lone pair of central atom. Central atom means central atom lone pair increase, bond angle decrease. Central atom lone pair increase, bond angle decrease. Now there is central atom lone pair 2, there is 1, so bond angle order, this is NH3 is greater than OH2 because there is least lone pair means greater than bond angle. Now in this order, so B, then A, then C, then D, then D, then C. This is the order. So B greater than A, greater than D, greater than C. Bond angle comparison, this is CH4, NH3, OH2, OCl2, PH3. Now first check hybridization. This is sp3 hybridization, this is sp3 hybridization, this is sp3, and this is drag molecule, this is pure P, not hybridization, pure P. This is the least bond angle. Now second check lone pair. In case CH4 there is 0 lone pair, ammonia 1 lone pair, OH2 2 lone pair, OCl2 2 lone pair is there. Now third check NB pair. Both are sp3 hybridization, but there is no lone pair, so NB pair not. But NH3, this is hydrogen is small size, so not NB pair applied. In case of OH2, hydrogen is small size, so not applied. In case of OCl2, side atom, this Cl is larger size, so this is applied NB pair. NB pair applied, so greater than bond angle greater than normal sp3 hybridization to 109 degree 28 minute. Now then check BSC pair. This is not BSC pair because there is no lone pair is there, but in case of NH3 there is applied BSC pair theory, and OH2 there is applied BSC pair theory. Now in NH3 and OH2 comparison, NH3 there is lone pair 1 lone pair is there, there is 2 lone pair is there. Now we know BSC pair first rule, bond angle proportional to 1 by number of lone pair of central atom. So number of lone pair of central atom increase, bond angle decrease. So ammonia bond angle, ammonia greater than OH2. This is the bond angle order. Now overall bond angle order. In case of PH3, this is PH3 is least bond angle. Now OCl2, this is more bond angle, then CH4, then ammonia, then water. This is the bond angle order. Now this is most important example. Now in case of CH4, NH3, P double bond O, Cl, S triple bond FFF. Now we know the BSCPR theory, triple bond greater than lone pair greater than double bond greater than single bond. This is the repulsion order. First I discuss repulsion order. Now there is single bond repulsion, there is lone pair single bond repulsion is there is double bond single bond repulsion is there is triple bond single bond repulsion is there. Now there is triple bond single bond repulsion is much more. So repulsion increase, so this bond angle increase, but repulsion increase, so this bond angle decrease. This bond angle increase, this bond angle decrease. Now second, lone pair repulsion, lone pair single bond repulsion is more, but this bond angle decrease. So the bond angle order, first theta is much more. Then double bond single bond repulsion is much more, so this bond angle increase, so gamma. Then there is single bond repulsion is least, so alpha. Now this bond angle is compared to least repulsion, so this is the delta, then beta, then phi. So first this is the repulsion order, triple bond greater than lone pair greater than double bond greater than single bond. This is the repulsion order. There is triple bond repulsion is more, so triple bond repulsion more, so this bond angle more, but this is least bond angle, this is more bond angle, so theta is more and phi is least. Then this is lone pair single bond repulsion is more, this is lone pair single bond repulsion is more, so this is the least bond angle, but beta is least bond angle, so beta is least. Then double bond single bond repulsion is more, so double bond single bond repulsion is more, so this bond angle is high, this bond angle is high, then compared to this is the delta, and this is no repulsion, is small repulsion is there, single bond small repulsion is there, so this is the middle position. So this is the bond angle order. Next day I will discuss more important videos, so please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.